Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious garlic butter steak bites. And so yeah, let's get into it. These are all the ingredients you'll need. And so I have my steak here. I'm going to season it with some garlic butter seasoning. I'm also going to be seasoning this up with some garlic salt and some Nashville hot. Y'all know that's my favorite trio right there. You put it on anything, honey, you good to go. And so this is what I used. But of course, you can use the spices you prefer as long as you get the garlic butter part right. You're pretty much good to go. Just make sure you season it liberally. I'm not going to lie. I saw these on another platform and it was pretty viral. And I decided to, let me give it a try and see what the tea is, okay? So to my skillet, I'm going to add some chili oil down in here, which is also going to impart some flavor. I'm going to sear off the steak pieces. I'm actually using ribeye. You can use any cut you prefer, your favorite cut, of course. And just sear it off. I'm on medium, roundabouts the medium-high area heat because I don't want my steak to overcook. If you like well-done steak, then cook it forever, child. But I think I probably cooked it maybe 2 minutes per side, if that, because it's going to cook again. So it's totally up to how you prefer your steak. So this is what it looks like. I'm getting it nice and seared off, and this is what they look like once I flip them over and do about another minute or so, and then I'm going to start removing them. Now, I haven't eaten or made a lot of steak recipes on here. I have some, but not like a lot. It's mostly chicken, but I have been eating steak and liver a lot lately for the iron content, but I'm not going to put my business on here, but for the iron content, I've been eating a lot of liver and steak and my beet juice, of course. And then you want to put the rest of the steak back in here and cook those off as well. My skillet didn't fit them all. So if your skillet fits them all, you're good to go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I removed the oil because now we're going to work on the garlic butter part. I added 2 tablespoons of butter and get that nice and melted. Now I'm going to add the garlic down in here. Now, obviously, honestly, this doesn't even need a real recipe. You could put as much garlic as you want down in here. But of course, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Make sure you check it out. If you have any questions or anything like that, you can follow me on social media. So after that, I'm going to add the steak right back down in here. Y'all, look how good this looks. Like, look how good this looks. Like, I can't even deal. So now I'm just going to mix everything up together and finish this up. Well, how I want to finish it up is by adding some sriracha honey as well as some chopped parsley all over top. I added that because I wanted that spice. I didn't want to use hot sauce or peppers or anything like that. And it just gave it the perfect kick. And it was just good to go. Look how delicious this looks. But again, like I said, this was just a quick recipe I wanted to share with you guys. I am preparing to launch Spicy Girl and It's Lit Lemon Pepper, later in the summertime. And of course, I have a toddler, so I've been very busy, you guys. Very, very busy. But look how amazing this looks. I hope you guys give it a try. If you do, tag me. Let me know what you think. Okay. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Love you so much for always supporting and sharing my videos. It helps a lot. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye.